नमस्ते, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल। वेलकम टू माय चैनल बेस्ट लर्नर। मेरा नाम है पवन कुमार। मैं बेसिकली एक मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर हूँ। मैं साइंस बेस्ड एजुकेशनल रिलेटेड वीडियोस बनाता रहता हूँ जो साइंस और इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट्स के लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल है। और मैं कॉन्सेप्ट CBSE सिलेबस से रेफर करता हूँ। जितना हो सके उन्हें ईजी वे में समझाने की कोशिश करता हूँ ताकि आप सबको कॉन्सेप्ट ईजिली समझ में आ सके। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हो तो फटाफट लाइक, सब्सक्राइब, शेयर कर दो ताकि आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन। So today I am going to explain about abrasive water jet machining, that is also called as AWJM. Here abrasive water jet machining is almost similar to the water jet machining. If you don't know about water jet machining, you can go to previous videos. There I explained about water jet machining. It's the main difference between abrasive water jet machining and water jet machining. That is, in case of water jet machining, water is used in order to cut the workpiece. But in case of abrasive water jet machining, both water and abrasive particles are used in order to cut the workpiece. I will explain basic construction of abrasive water jet machining. Abrasive water jet machining consists of a water reservoir which stores the water, and that is connected to the pump. Pump will helpful to drive the water from water reservoir to intensifier, and intensifier is helpful to increase the pressure of the water, and that intensifier is connected with the accumulator. Accumulator is helpful to store the highly pressurized water which is coming from the intensifier. Then that accumulator is connected with the control valve which control the pressure of this water. Then that both control valve and intensifier are connected with the hydraulic power unit. Hydraulic power unit will supply the current in order to run this system. Then that control valve is connected with the flow regulator. Flow regulator will regulate the flow rate of water. Flow regulator will connect it with the nozzle. Here abrasive tank also connected with the nozzle. Nozzle helps to strikes the both abrasive and water molecules on the workpiece surface in order to cut this workpiece. This is all about construction of abrasive water jet machining. Now I will explain about working principle of abrasive jet machining. In case of working, initially pump will drive the water from the water reservoir to the intensifier. When the water passes through the pump, at that time water will have the pressure of 4 bar. When water enters to the intensifier, then intensifier increases the pressure of water from 4 bar to 3000 to 4000 bar. This much pressure of water is required in order to cut this workpiece. Then that highly pressurized water with the 3000 to 4000 bar is enters to the accumulator. Accumulator will store the highly pressurized water for temporary basis. To use this water when the larger amount of pressure energy is required. Then that highly pressurized water passes through the control valve. Control valve will helpful to control the pressure of this water. Then that water passes through the flow regulator. Flow regulator will regulate the flow rate of the water. Then that water passes through the nozzle. Here in case of nozzle, abrasive particles from the abrasive tanks enters to the nozzle. Both abrasive particles and water molecules mix together through this narrow portion. So because of this narrow portion of the nozzle, the high pressure energy of this water and abrasive molecule particles is converted into the kinetic energy. This kinetic energy of abrasive particles and water molecules, it highly forcefully strikes the surface of the workpiece. Because of that high impact force of water and abrasive particles, workpiece will cut into the two parts. After that, the used water will be collected within the drain and catcher system. So this is all about working principle of abrasive water jet machining. I hope you all understood this concept. If you have any doubt, you can put your questions on the comment box. I'll make sure that I will answer all the questions. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have, let's meet on next video. Stay safe, stay healthy.